Alright folks, in today's video we're going to do another range exercise, and today we're going to try to go a little bit lower and we're going to try to go a little bit higher. So we're going to stay on the B flat harmonics on first position. Of course, when you practice those exercises, practice them in all positions, going down as low as you can and as high as you can. Also remember that practicing range is practicing expansion, right? So let's try this exercise. So the point of this exercise is to try to keep the right embouchure throughout the range going up and down. I will write this exercise in the next newsletter, so make sure that you subscribe to the newsletter. I will link it down below. And in the next video we're going to do some more range exercises. We're going to go a little bit more in depth. What I wanted to do in the last few days is really to introduce this concept of expanding your range. So if you have a mediocre or bad low register, let's just call it a bad low register, and you want to improve your low register, don't just go and practice pedal notes or just practice like low C's and low E's. Practice going down gradually. Remember, this is the word of the week. We've been saying this in the last 5 videos. Maybe I've given you quite a few exercises. Is expansion of the range. In the next few videos we're actually going to dig into some more specific low register exercises. And yeah, I'm looking forward. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have not done so, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Take care. Bye.